Here's how to fix audio delay on BandLab PC, latency and lag solution in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can record and monitor audio in real time without that annoying delay. First, open BandLab on your PC and go to your audio settings. This is where most delay issues start. Look for your input and output device settings and make sure the correct microphone and headphones are selected. Using the wrong device can increase delay without you realizing it. The next step is adjusting your buffer size. Inside audio settings, you'll find an option related to latency or buffer. Lowering this value reduces delay, which helps you hear your voice or instrument in real time. Start by lowering it gradually. If you go too low, you might hear crackling sounds, so find the balance where the delay is reduced but the audio still sounds clean. Another important step is using headphones instead of speakers. When you use speakers, your microphone can pick up the sound again, which causes echo and delay. Headphones keep the sound direct and help reduce lag during recording. You should also close any apps running in the background. Programs that use your CPU or audio system can slow things down and increase latency. Closing unnecessary tabs and apps helps BandLab run more smoothly. If you're still experiencing delay, check your driver settings. Some systems allow you to switch to a lower latency audio driver, which can improve performance. This helps your computer process audio faster and reduces the time it takes for sound to be heard. After making these changes, test your setup. Record a short clip and listen back while monitoring in real time. If there's still a delay, go back and make small adjustments until it feels right. Even small changes in settings can make a big difference. Keeping your system updated also helps. Updated drivers and system settings can improve how your PC handles audio, which reduces lag over time. By following these steps, you can fix audio delay on BandLab PC and create a smoother recording experience. With the right settings, proper devices, and a few quick adjustments, you can reduce latency and hear your audio clearly as you record.